we killed it. We smashed it. So nice.
Thank you. No, it's the first time.
Oh, sick. Thank you so much. My name is
Photos from me, John. There could be visitors during the night. They may come in through the roof, not the front door or the window.
You guys, what's good? Hope you guys are all doing well, enjoying life, smashing your projects. Touchdown. We are in Wellington. And today we're gonna find some strangers. I hope you guys are all doing well. Let's see, what are we feeling? If we're feeling like the strangers are gonna be good or not. Check it out, guys. Here's Wellington. Here's the thriving metropolis of Wellington. Hey, excuse me. My name's Brad. I'm a photographer and I take photos of people on the street when I like their style, and you have a really cool look.
Oh, thank you.
So I was going to ask if you wanted a portrait.
Oh, I mean, yeah,
just for YouTube.
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. So I actually saw you up there before, my battery was flat, and then I was like, damn, and I just saw you again now.
Oh,
So,
thanks.
so I'm thinking that we can do it here in the street.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Nina.
Nina,
Sorry,
Brad.
what's yours again?
Brad.
Brad, lovely to meet you.
And where are you from?
I'm from Auckland.
Usually
Yes,
we're
yeah.
used to traffic. Just stand there for a sec. Awesome, yes, damn, the light is amazing. Stay there. Yeah, can I get one maybe like this? Just, oh. Okay,
Whereabouts are you from?
north.
Yeah,
I grew up in Auckland as well.
Oh, really?
And then I'm here just for a holiday. Now I live in Spain.
Oh, fantastic.
And I came here to like see family and stuff, and then
awesome.
going back in 10 days, yeah.
So cool.
So I was like, damn, I want to get some content here in Wellington
you came
too.
over in the middle of winter.
I know, damn. It was like really just to see family, you know?
Yeah, totally.
Otherwise, otherwise I like would have definitely
I would
come
totally
in.
way rather be in Spanish summer than Wellington
Yeah,
winter.
I know. But when I get back, it's gonna be like scorching.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be so good.
Okay, yes, that looks sick. So just stand over here, and then maybe I'll get some in movement. So if you do something like this, and then we can get some in movement too. Awesome. Yeah, stay there. That looks sick. Yeah. Oh yes, just like that. And then let me get one like this, like side on, and just put your hands like this. Well, wait. Awesome, and then one more just like this, like hand on the hip. And then just back here again in the middle. We love the middle, we love the middle.
We got one more.
Damn, they find us. They're like... Yes, boom, stay there, sick. Okay, and then one just walking towards me. Okay, boom, you wanna see them? Let's see, just over this side.
Oh, sick. Thank you so much. Awesome.
Yes, and they look
So
super cool as well,
Yeah,
no?
that's so sick.
Damn, I like that. That's
Thank
a vibe.
you. Yeah.
And this one.
So cool. Yeah, I like them so. Thank you.
Okay,
So
boom.
sick. Thank you so much.
No
It's
worries.
So lovely to meet you.
Yes, you too.
Lovely to meet you.
Yes,
And
you
like
too.
safe travels back to the other side of the world.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
I'll send you the photos when they're ready.
Thank you so much.
See you later. Bye. Good, thanks. On the way to New Plymouth. Smash it. See you guys later. Bye. Hey, excuse me. Hey, my name's Brad. I'm a photographer, and I take photos of people here in the street when I like their style. And you have a really cool look, so I was gonna ask if you wanted a picture.
Oh, that'd be great.
Yeah? Nice. So I'm thinking, oh, actually this looks cool right here. Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Okay, nice. Actually, this looks really cool right here. And whereabouts are you from in Vietnam?
I'm in the south.
Like in the Hanoi? Oh, no, Hanoi.
Ho Chi Minh City.
Saigon, no. Ho Chi
Saigon,
Minh.
yeah.
I've been there. Yeah, yeah.
Ah, okay.
I like went on a motorbike from Hanoi to Saigon.
Oh, that's crazy.
That was cool.
Wow.
But yes, you're vibing. I love your hair. What's your name?
Thank you. I'm Crimson.
Crimson, Brad.
Brad, nice to meet you.
You too. So, first ones, if you want to stand just over here.
Like very awkward when it comes to...
Well, to the pictures.
Yeah.
One thing, just stay there. That actually looks good like this. Just keep your hands, yeah, and actually a little bit more this way. Yeah. Oh, damn, that looks sick. Stay there. Damn, you're like a natural. Awesome. Looks so good, yes. Like that again, working with the jacket. So, And let's do like this, like one hand on your hip and then the other one just coming down here like this, and just bring one leg forward. And then looking in this direction. Okay, looking into the camera. Oh man, and we hit the jackpot with the street. It looks so good. Yeah, stay there. Perfect, yeah, stay there. Like walking, do you want to see what we have so far?
Oh, yeah.
They look so good, seriously.
Oh, I look angry as fuck.
That's the model, you can do some
really?
smiling too if you want, but they look
Okay.
super cool to me.
Oh, see.
No, they look really cool.
Thank you. Okay.
Do you want to try some smiling as well? You guys let us know in the comments, do you like it wearing crimson, no?
Crimson.
Crimson, do you guys...
Living or what?
Huh?
You're streaming or?
No, yeah. I'm like not live, but it's going to be on YouTube.
Oh,
So I'm asking them, guys, let us know in the comments whether you think smiling or not smiling.
Oh, yeah.
They can tell us, they can tell us. Yes, awesome. We can try some walking if you're like this and then just looking over at me.
You've been here long?
I'm from here, but I live in Spain.
Oh, okay.
So I'm back here just for a couple of months, well, like a month, and then I'm heading back.
Oh,
So yeah,
Spain.
back to Spain, Barcelona.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Have you been?
To Spain? Nah. Oh, I wish though.
You know what the good thing is, like here, you don't need to be so careful of the bags. Like I don't know what it's like in Vietnam, but in Spain,
Yeah,
you cannot leave the bags.
Oh, really?
People are so quick, like the pickpockets, yeah.
Yeah, same.
They're really
Vietnam.
bad.
Yo.
Oh, same vibe, no? On the motorbikes.
Yeah. Actually in the south, it's crazy there.
Yeah, I remember everybody was saying like, don't hold your phone out because
Oh,
people will
yeah.
come by on the bikes and just boom.
Yeah, even if you're on a bike.
yeah. Okay, awesome, we killed it. We smashed it, so nice.
Thank you though. It's the first time someone asked me for it. I'm like, oh, okay.
Yeah, it's like perfect timing because I'm on the way to the airport, so. Just
That is crazy. Where are you going now? Where are you heading?
now heading up to New Plymouth.
Oh,
So
friends
there for the week, yeah, some family, then back, then going back up to Whangarei, and then.
Oh, see?
But you're gonna see when they edit it, they're gonna be so cool.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Awesome.
Thank you very
Well,
much.
have a good day
You too.
and a good time in New Zealand, and yeah, you'll see this stuff online.
Awesome. Thank
Yeah.
you though. You have a lovely day.
Yes, you too.
See ya.
Bye.
I'm so sad. Only has.
Hey, morning. I'm a photographer. My name's Brad, and I take photos of people on the street when I like their style. And I love your style. You look really cool.
Thank you.
So I was gonna ask if you wanted a picture. It's just for my social media.
If you, I don't like posing or anything, I'll just stand here.
Yeah, just stand here. Yeah, and I'll send you the pictures too. Yeah.
Okay, I'm okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna like look. I hate
Okay.
photos.
Really?
Yeah, I hate photos.
Are you okay to do it here, just in the shade? If you're like, yeah, just here. Yes, we can do something like candid style. Over here, and then can I get you like looking this way? Damn, they look sick. Love it. Yes, can we do one looking towards the camera so I can get your like the pink and the lips without the phone too? And then even if you want, just like looking straight towards up here. Damn, yes, that looks so cool.
Good.
Awesome, yes, one more just like this. Oh, they look so cool. Do you want to see them?
Thank you. No, not really.
Look at them.
I don't like myself.
They look so cool. Are you
Thank
sure?
you.
Do you want me to send them to you?
No, I'm
Or no? Okay.
No, yeah.
Yeah, let
Will
me
you
give you my
number?
Instagram, or what do you use?
Oh yeah,
or like,
I'm on Instagram.
or number.
Do you want my Instagram?
Yep.
It is. Oh, can you help?
Or if you want,
Oh,
yes.
you do that.
I'll like put my.
Sorry.
we found a way. We found a way.
Cheers.
When I've edited, then I'll send you the
Yeah.
pictures.
Yeah.
Awesome. What's her name?
Mel.
Mel. Okay. Have a good day. Bye. Hey, sorry. Hey, my name's Brad. I'm a photographer, and I absolutely love your style. You look so cool. And I was gonna ask if I could take a photo of you. It's just for social media. If you would like a picture.
Okay.
Like-
My glasses on.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Are we good to go over here, just in the like the shade? We can go here. Yep. Yeah, I feel like let's go over here, just in the shade, on this side of the road. Yeah. Yeah, just here in the shade. Yeah. What's your name? Angel. Okay, Brad. My bags. Going to the airport soon. Okay, yes. So first ones, if you stand just over here. Yes, and can I just bring like one leg coming across like this? Yes, perfect. Awesome. Yes. Yes, and let's try one like maybe, let's see, just with more of a background. Yeah, just in here. Oh yeah, that looks sick. Nice, yeah, stay there like looking in this direction. Yes, awesome. And one more again, looking over here. Let me get... Yes, and to me, hold the bag. For sure, for sure. Awesome, yes. Oh, love that, yes, they like that with a smile. That looks so good. One sec. Awesome.
Any photos for me, John, there could be visitors during the night. They may come in through the roof, not the front door of the window. Just make sure there's no photos of me. Like I said, John, if you find any photos of me, we'll come visiting.
It's green, yeah. Let me just tell him that we're gonna want to.
My name is I'm fine. Okay.
Okay, well let's go.
I have
Yeah.
nothing to hide and I have nothing to lose.
Let's go. So I feel like right under here would be super nice, no? With the
You are the yes, yeah.
No,
You're just like,
I'm just, because I live in Wellington and my son lives in Barcelona, so for me, I like to spend, he's here only for 2 weeks. So for me, I'm like, every minute I need to be there.
Barcelona, wow,
Yeah.
beautiful.
I love it. I moved there 6 years ago and it's amazing. It's just such a vibe. Yeah.
Kahurangi.
Kahurangi. Yes. And from Rotorua.
I am.
Yes.
I'm so sad. Only hands.
This is beautiful.
I'm so sad.
Yes,
Thank you. That was the first.
Is that the first experience? Is that the first time you've done a shoot? Running, this is right now. We're at the airport. I wanted to show you this because this airport is such a vibe. Have a look at this view. I would definitely just come here for drinks. Does anyone want to come here for drinks with me? Like, let me know in the comments.